speaking of your PhD, you pursued it while working full time with your full time job at Twitter. Can you share some specific strategies about how you're able to manage your time between pursuing this degree and also working full time job?
Totally. Well, one thing I did was my PhD was in at the University of Oxford, and most of my Twitter coworkers were located in San Francisco. And there's basically no overlap between UK working hours and San Francisco working hours. So I spent most of my time located in New York, sometimes traveling between those two areas. And I'd spend my mornings, usually 5 a.m. to maybe noon, working on PhD things, then from noon until the evening, working on my job at Twitter. The largest strategy I would say that worked well for me was really leaning into the more theoretical aspects of my PhD, having this be a much less implementation driven set of projects and more of math theory set of projects because my job at Twitter was so implementation driven. I find that stresses of a certain type can compound. If I'm dealing with debugging some weird distributed systems error at Twitter, I don't want to be dealing with debugging something in my PhD at the same time. I want to be thinking about math proofs that use a different part of your brain and engage me in a different way. And so I found in that way, each one served as a refuge from the other and complement each other.
If you enjoyed this clip, make sure you watch the entire video, which has a lot more content just like this. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of our episodes where we talk to leaders in the tech industry, from software engineers to product managers to engineering manager, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also click the notification bell.